Yes. We're back. Welcome to the show. Hey, Paul. Good to see you. Welcome. Wenceslas, hello. The third on her name. Good morning. Kirk, hey, good to see you back. Green. Jerry, what's up? Here again. Exactly. Itwip, good to see you. And Victor Boredom in person. Welcome. Jean-Paul Passion. Sorry, Jean-Paul. John, I'm sorry. I butchered the name again. Hello. Dr. Pepovnik. Love the name there. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I think we had a good time this morning, although the market eventually, just after I finished up with the stream, boom. Look at that. And by the way, we have the market open in a minute. I think I finished the stream sometime here on this last 5-minute candle or something, and then just as I finished, boom, the market went up there. I think the market makers were waiting for me to finish with the story. Yeah. I'm not hiding now any trades. No trades. Absolutely no trades that I'm hiding. Actually, here we have the market open in seconds. 1200 on eval on the London long. Nice. Congratulations, Jerry. Yeah. Yeah, anyway, here's the market open. Where do we go from here? Look at that. Wow. Still pushing higher, up to 23K, I guess. Almost there. Almost there. And what else do we have? Is this ready to make a new all-time high? It seems like ES wants to go, and it seems like NQ wants to go. Yeah, there we go. 23K. What's the plan from here? You know. After 909 rocket fuel, 909. I don't get it. Oh yeah, you said that. Yeah. After 909 rocket fuel, yeah, it actually went up there beautifully. Yeah, as soon as we went higher, yeah, it just continued to go. We still have a level at 27.25 on the micro. Seems like it really wants to push it. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Less than a minute as I left. Oh my god. Well, I tried. I should have left earlier, right? But anyway. So what's the move? What can we expect here? What can we expect? Is this really want to get to what's that level? 25 maybe? I'm not even sure. Anyway, we'll see what it does. What's the high on the mini? I'm quite curious about that, by the way. What's the high on the mini? 28.5. Interesting. Interesting. Ugh. What a day. What a day. So, back to this level. Let's just see what it wants to do, right? Maybe I should have taken a trade on gold earlier. Maybe that would have been the real deal. There were some nice moves. Yeah, that was the catalyst. I know. Sacromonster, hello. How's it going, man? So what's this thing want to do here? I kind of wonder. Kind of wondering. Nothing so far. No real push. No, nothing. I thought that this one wants to make a push higher, but it's just not moving. Anyway, let's wait for it. Man, I'm still having connection issues here. I need to reconnect properly. D-Pain. You shut down with 539 profit. Nice. Nice, nice. Good job. Good job there. Okay, so we pushed higher. What else is there to do? Where is it going? I'm really. How far are we from all-time high? I wish I could put on a trade somewhere. 101. Is this really want to go to 101? Nothing is happening. Sorry to say that, but not much to do with this price action. I was having hopes with gold that we can look for a possible trade, but look at this push here. Wow. No positions. I'm flat. Okay. You know, the problem is if we want to go, I mean, if this one wants to go to all-time highs again, I just don't have a proper entry here. Fair value gap is down there. No, technically there's no first fair value gap. No new hype for now. Definitely not going to look for a short position if we're so close to these highs. and so that's why it's difficult. Nvidia is pumping again. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, Nvidia is going. What about Tesla? Oh, Tesla is struggling still. Yeah, Nvidia is on the move. Wow. It's going. Look at that. It wants to make a new all-time high. It just wants to make a new all-time high. No stopping. If it pulls back long, yeah. Not a single pullback on the 1 minute. That's why this is a clear sign not to enter. I agree, Zacromancer. This is a scary market. I think I should be focusing on gold. Maybe not. Yeah, 3,300 down here. No level there. Would be exciting to take a short on gold to 296, by the way. Look at this. It's keep on pushing. Oh my god. It's pushing, baby. It's going. It's going. Man, a little bit tempted to take a gold short. Low of this candle is 96.3. Ah, I'm not gonna. It was looking good, but I just can't. Man, this is just going higher like crazy. What a market. What a market. If it goes higher, then gold could be dropping. All right, I took a long position. 5 micros. It's a scary trade. A little bit of a chasing here on my end. Not a perfect entry. I know it's not my entry model. This is based on mostly on intuition, and I think I'm just gonna close it. I just don't like this. I thought that it's going to push. My stop loss is at 33.75, but I think I'm closing it. Yeah, that's what I mean, I'm willing to risk about $200 ish on this one, only on one account. So yeah, I don't know. It's scary for sure. It's scary. I don't like it, man. What's the time? Maybe I'm closing it. Only in a small drawdown currently. Okay. Back to green. Oh, you guys don't see it. Hold on. You guys don't see it. It's here. Hey, Trading Star, my man, and everybody else who is supporting. Thank you so much. Good luck, Trading Star. Good luck. You know, and be careful. These markets are scary. These markets are scary. The best code. I put a little bit of a cinnamon in my coffee, and it feels good. I think I'm gonna bring my TP down to like, I don't know, 98.50, just because of spread slippage and who knows what the heck is happening up there. So 98.50, and you know, just not to be greedy. All right, I took off 2 contracts, and I'm bringing it back to 99.50. Stop is going to break even. That's it. Now it's a free trade. But I took partial profits, so I'm okay with it. Took partials. Because this is not my entry model here. I just used this accumulation to push it higher. But it's still good. I'm okay with it. I'm alright. Just in case, you know. Good. Yeah. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's go. No, no more coffee. What is going on here? I was eyeballing with the gold short, but maybe that was a little bit scary. Look at that, how close it was. Anyway, at least I took a partial, so no worries. Wow. Seems like gold wants to make a new high here as well. Huh. Anyway, let's just wait. Come on, let's go. We need that doubler. We need the doubler, man. Come on. Go. Just go. There's still time. No. Why is this happening? Need to disconnect and reconnect here. What the heck is NQ doing right now? Come on, NQ. It was so close. So close. Well, obviously at these levels there could be some early profit taking, so no surprise. Come on. We need that push. Oh, man. This is frustrating. Mind games. Troy. Last week, Thursday, high hitting, sorry. Looks like a hammer bar. Yeah, pullback can be very strong. Guys, if this one is going to make a pullback, I think it can go down 100 points super easy. And even to this fair value gap down here, it's kind of a crazy level, so gotta be careful. I think it just wants to go down to 72. Pick up some more orders if it still wants to push. Yeah, market maker saw that. This is what happens usually. Market makers were waiting for me in the London session to finish up with the stream so they could finally put the price into the zone. Oh, man. What can we do, right? Oh, man. I'm so tired. I'm still haven't finished up with the video for the giveaway. Man, I need to do that. Come on. Come on, baby. Push it. Come on, NQ. Don't tease us here. Let's go. You know what to do. You know. That's the job. Oh, we all like this. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go. A little bit more. Why, it sounds a little bit. I sound a little bit too excited about this. And this is my only position. So that's the only one. All right. It's not doing it. It's just not doing it, man. Why not? Oh my, look at this. Is this the pullback? I'm afraid it is. Oh, what a shame. What a shame. Well, we tried. You know, we tried. It just didn't go through. Going back down into the fair value gap, as it seems like. So. But it's okay. Partial profits have been made, being taken. So it doesn't really matter. Okay, there's still a bit of a time here. It's not doing it. Going back down to 72, I guess. Buyers are not really stepping into this market right now. Extended to August 1. Yeah, this is Natasha. This today is I don't even know. Crazy price action. Navab, hey, thank you. But this trade so far, I mean, we took partials. That's awesome, and that's why it's on break even. I just feel like that a pullback is coming, so unfortunate. And I think this is the first fair value gap, right? Because we did not have, yeah. So this is technically the first fair value gap. And it didn't go back into the gap yet. We're gonna crash. Maverick, I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised on a crash. A market crash. Everybody, including me, wants to see a new high. And that's why there could be a huge pullback, like a huge one. At least down 80 points or something. But if not, where is it gonna stand here like a rock? You know. Stand still. Like a, in the fiercest of storms. Like a rock. Believing in our trade. In the analysis. Oh man. What can I say?
Hey, let me tell you something. Earlier in the session, I was struggling big time. I couldn't even get out of my own way. Then out of nowhere, this sensational feeling took over me, and I just couldn't stop winning. It was incredible. I was rock hard. Stay relentless and unwavering in your pursuit. Like a rock that withstands the fiercest of storms. Like being the hardest of rocks, you can stand as a symbol of determination and resilience. In a world of challenges and obstacles, we remain unshakable as a rock, our essence unbreakable. Our merciless resolve is a testament to the human spirit. As rock hard as the mountain. When you're in the zone, it is a reminder of your potential to conquer challenges. This feeling is a testament to your dedication and skills. One that can drive you to push your limits and achieve greatness. Embrace these moments, for they represent the exhilaration of being in complete control. Unleashing your full potential and achieving your gaming dreams.
All right. So, we made it. I just want to say, like, today I was asking for a anyway, here's what happened today, but don't worry, it was not on stream. So I just did it again today on a brand new Take Profit Trader account, but this was not now, this happened earlier. So 2400, I'm gonna request 400 tomorrow, but I'm gonna leave this account. I'm not going to close this today. I closed the account from yesterday, so overall days are just repeating, you know. Oh sure I can. No, I'm not a good combo, but thank you. Thank you for the compliment, and welcome to the channel, by the way. Welcome. But, you know, we do have a good community here, and if I can ask you guys to do it just once, please, push the like button. Let's show YouTube that we are here. We're just a small channel, small community, but we are here, so please, I'm begging you. For the love of God, please push that like button. I want to show YouTube that we are here. That was a bold move. Exactly. Michael. That was a bold move. The thing. So I'm just gonna try to explain. I mean, not explain, but I tried to find an excuse for myself of why I did that. But basically, all-time high was there. I was kind of watching this level as a accumulation zone. Like we were still before 10 a.m. and you know, that means usually that there's a lot of time. So entered with only 5 micros. So let me state that it was only 5 micros. Okay, my risk was maximum $200 on this trade, which is absolutely doable. So I wasn't risking $1,000, $2,000, whatever. 5 micros, and I was just waiting patiently, and then came this candle at 9:45, and so I was also then waiting for the macro, like what's gonna happen before 10 a.m. It was much easier to hold the trade when we went up here. I took a partial, so actually this candle at 9:45 made it much easier for me. Otherwise, I had a predetermined risk. I thought that we should be breaking new all-time high, but there was no pullback. I know that. So that's why it was risky. No pullback and no fair value gap. And that's why I said when I entered the trade that this was mostly based on intuition or discretionary entry. And that comes from chart time. Basically, that's my excuse. That was my excuse. So how much do you pay on those TPT accounts? $119 with no activation fee on the 50K. So yesterday I posted it out on Twitter. I made the same bold move. Like I made 3,000. I closed the account because I want to get. I actually got the safety net already. Not the safety net, the profit above the safety net. Hopefully tomorrow I will get the safety net too, which is 50% of $2,000. So, and today I made this next funded account. I mean, this was already a funded account. So that means I can take out 20% of the $400, which I'm going to take tomorrow. So that's $320 to withdraw, and I'm going to keep this account. Nice, thank you so much for hitting that like. Early bird gets the worm. Yeah, sorta. But now, if you're asking if I want to go short, I'm just gonna say no. No, I'm not looking to go short. At least not yet. I'm not looking to do that. You were short from there. At 60. Oh. Lost 15 points. That's still fine. No, I'm not gonna go long. Even if it goes down here into this gap. This is typically a market. Let me just get this off here. This is typically, I mean, I don't see any level that I like here, and not at all. Nothing. Maybe this one down here at midnight level, but I don't think. How far is that actually? Well, FOMC can bring it down, but 220 points. Maybe I don't know. Maybe down to 953. So far, I don't see anything that I like. Yeah, that's true, Michael. That is true. The price was in premium, and that's why I said when I entered that this was mostly based on intuition. I mean, not just intuition, but obviously my risk, as I said, was only about $200. But this was a good one, at least. I made $333 on this trade. On a funded account, which is okay. Still okay with that. I was feeling it. Yeah. We won't go down that far. 960 is a reasonable area to get long. Maybe Trump tweets something. Yeah. Pre-market push. You mean here? No. Here? Here, right? I mean before the 9:30 open. This here, right? This was crazy. That actually gave it away, right? that partially gave it away that something is cooking. Something is happening. But now, honestly, I really I have no freaking idea how far this one can go. ES didn't make a new high. Look at that. I mean, NQ, is this a new all-time high? Yeah, it is. So NQ made a new all-time high. ES didn't make a new all-time high. So what do we have? SMT. Everybody's screaming SMT, SMT. That's true. But is there something down there on ES that can be utilized as a good target? No, nothing. There is just nothing here that I can use on ES. So it's a huge red flag of not to do anything. Wow, quite a few equal highs here. Man, nothing is moving. Nothing. What to do? So I have my prop account set to, should come back into the range. Yeah, it could be. It could come back. It's super easy. Super easy. But man, it's just, it's just difficult. Yeah, it's very scary to enter a long position here. I would not be doing it. I mean, NQ is technically unplugged right now. Yeah, that's also a good strategy, Jay. One micro. Well, with one micro, actually, you can go. Oh man. What? Yeah, 1 to 3. I mean, 3 to 1. That's a good one. Well, we can, Jay. This one can push. So, yeah. No, Michael. You shouldn't say that. I mean, the market. Yeah, I know it's crazy nowadays, but it is what it is. Look at how bad it's right now. They're basically in a 20-something point range. Silver bullet. Silver bullet hour. It does seem like a silver bullet hour, right? Man, it would be amazing to see market drop all the way down to 868. That would be amazing. That would be just unbelievable if it would drop down all the way. I would say, wow. $868. There's a gap there from this morning. I saw short. I saw short in. Is it a 15-minute? I see. 15-minute zone. Well, I mean, there were some levels here. And by the way, there was also a, I didn't even see this. There was a 15-minute supply zone here. Look at that. Yeah, exactly. This was a strong move, and that's why it was much harder to predict. And I just don't know. I don't know how far this one wants to go. Yeah, we need an elevator move, that's for sure. That would be awesome. Huge rejection. I mean, here at the top, that can happen very easy. You know, invert all these fair value gaps on the 5-minute. Just go down like super crazy. To 51? Yeah, could be. Is this a flat candle, by the way? 55 low. Yeah, it's a flat candle. I think it can go down actually to 51. Where was the first fair value gap? That was here. Look at the first fair value gap, everybody. Okay. And it tagged it. Sorry about this. We tagged the first fair value gap just now. So what's going to happen? Two micros since 100. Nice. That's a good one. Nice. If you have a good target. If it takes the elevator, I can imagine anything. We saw those kind of moves in this year in April that one NQ can do. Pivot point. I haven't even watched pivot points here, but yeah, it could be. Hold on. What's my super magical indicators are saying? Nothing. Okay, slowly getting lower there. I'm lonely. I feel so lonely. Take me to the endless night. I believe I can die. Oh man. I'm lonely. I feel so lonely. What the heck is going on? Slow grind. Oh man, this market. I mean, that's why I'm waiting for September. We should be having some somewhat better price action than this. Still in 15 minutes probably gap. Maybe I should be looking into gold. Look at that, how nicely it went up there. Man. Just kept going, swept some levels here. Took this gap. Should have taken a trade on gold, right? Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Anyway. Just keeps going higher. Yeah, summer market is definitely killing the traders. It is definitely. Yeah, I don't really have any idea. I don't know. That is actually a very good question, and you know, there could be some answers to that. Tapping the VWAP. Where's the VWAP right now? Oh my god. We're at no man's land, actually. No man's land. Nothing's gonna happen here. Uh-oh, look at that. Look at that. The silver bullet. Okay, if we're going down, how far? Okay, okay. Don't worry. It's happening, everybody. Come on. Stick to the plan. It's happening. We had a market structure shift here on the 5-minute. Everybody stay calm. It's happening. All right, there's a bearish market structure shift on the 5-minute. Yeah, maybe. Jay got long. Oh, there are some bids 100 points lower. Let's see. No, Navab. Come on, man. Okay, let's see. We actually, you know, on the 1 minute, this close through the first fair value gap, that was a nice little, I would say, indication. Is this gonna go down? Is this gonna go down? Oh my, I'm a little bit tempted to jump in. All right, I entered to a short. Not that I really wanted to, but why not? A small position. Targeting 23K. My stop is at 80. Where is this? No, that's not it. Oh, there it is. Okay. So here's my trade. I'm looking for a retest of the 23K here. So we'll see. It's a bit of an aggressive entry, I know, but we'll see. Let's go. I mean, I mean, you know, like.
Earlier in the session, I was struggling big time. I couldn't even get out of my own way. Then out of nowhere, this sensational feeling took over me, and I just couldn't stop winning. It was incredible. I was rock hard. Stay relentless and unwavering in your pursuit. Like
Don't worry.
That withstands the fiercest of storms. Like
what a trade.
Of rocks, you can stand as a symbol of determination and resilience. In a world of challenges and obstacles, we remain unshakable as a rock. Our essence unbreakable.
How far are we gonna go?
Resolve is a testament to the human spirit. As rock hard,
This was a very fast trade. Oh my god, are we gonna go down to... We're gonna go down there. Man, why do I feel like my spidey senses are tingling again? Are we gonna go down there? I don't know, man.
embrace these moments, for they represent the exhilaration of being in complete control, unleashing your full potential and achieving your gaming dreams. Rock hard, you're the star.
Okay, we have a better song.
The greatest feeling you can get is the pump.
The greatest feeling that you can get is the pump.
The greatest feeling you can get is the pump.
No longer pump, it's the dump. Yeah.
Your muscles get a really tight feeling, like your skin is going to explode any minute. You know, it's really tight. It's like somebody blowing air into your muscle. It just blows up.
Nice.
It feels
Nice,
different.
Noah.
It feels fantastic. The pump is different. The pump is fantastic.
The pump.
The pump is different. The pump is fantastic. The sounds like to me as a
All right. I'm stopping with the music. Man, are we gonna go down to 800s? What's that level again? 868. I think it's gonna go down there. Why do I feel like we're going down to 868? Mark this up. 868. What a rejection up there. Anyway, this was a nice trade. Is this gonna go still down there? If the 23k gives in, which is gonna happen right now, I think it's just gonna go. Look at that. Let's keep on going. Wow. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh. Am I feeling the FOMO here? Dude. It's only 100 points from here. Is this taking the waterfall? I think it wants to. Dude, I'm gonna go crazy on this. Insane. No, it's not even, I mean, it's insane, but you know, it would be really insane if this would just go down to 868. That would be the real insane move. Wow. What the heck is going on here? Wow. Anyway. Anyway. Yeah, it practically did. Man. Yeah, something like that. Oh my, look at, okay, 4 hours is gonna be, the daily is gonna be a nice rejection. Man, are we gonna, I feel like it's gonna go down more. 868 is my bet if it's going down. Oh man. What is happening here? Okay, on the 5-minute, it's technically inverted this gap and this one, almost this one. Technically it did, but it didn't close below 980. I guess I could go for a potential short position, but I don't think I wanna. I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but. Tell me why ain't nothing but. Tell me why I never. Okay, let's see. Price bounce at 4 hour. Oh my. Tell me why not. Is trade day max 6 accounts? Yes, all together, Galdragan, with your evaluations and your fund. I think you can have 3 funded accounts. Oh man, I'm kind of confused. 3 or 5 funded accounts. I think 3 funded, 1 live account, and so including your evaluation accounts and live account and everything, you can have up to 6 accounts at a time, including your live account if you have been moved to live. So by standard, you can go with 5 accounts, but 3 funded account, 3 simulated funded accounts, and 2 evaluation accounts at a time if you're not on live. A little bit confused, but I know that 3 funded accounts you can hold, which is, by the way, I think it's enough. So trade day is good. I want to buy more trade day accounts, by the way. And I'm trading on with the Project X platform. It does have some slippage. I'm connected with Quantower, but so far so good. So no big issues. Orders being filled. So nothing bad actually. But you know, we shall see, right? But so far nothing super especially bad. Which prop firm? Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures, or MyFundedFutures and the Take Profit Trader. But I was thinking, by the way, my secret favorite is also Bulenox and Funded Futures Network. I like Apex too, despite that everybody hates them. I did get quite a few payouts from Apex, even after the rules changed. So Funded Futures Network and Bulenox are also very good. But I'm just, you know, since Trade Day changed their rules that you can have more accounts now, Trade Day is super solid. So I might going to get more accounts with Trade Day. I really don't need too many other prop firms because I mean, I know there's Top Step as well. I'm not that I hate Top Step. I just, it's not really my style. I don't trade with Tradeify. Not that they're bad, but I don't want to go into the same story again with their policies of promoting a scammer, but that's a different scenario. So I'm not trading with Tradeify. And Top Step is good too, but I mean, what can I say? Nothing bad about Top Step. You know, by the way, Bulenox is good because they don't have a social media presence. You might be saying, wow, that's interesting. But that is true. Bulenox has absolutely 0 social media presence. They just keep paying out people. That is why we like them. They are not advertising anything. Where are we heading? Midnight open. Kirk, I think if I can take a bet, I think yes, we're heading there. If I can take a bet, I would say by the end of the day we can hit 868. I think it's not far, man. It's not far. I entered the trade now on an evaluation account only. No, on a funded account. Sorry, I thought that this is an eval. Okay, this is a funded account. Funded Futures Network funded account. No problem. I entered a trade 84.50. I'm only looking for. Okay, now I have to reduce my TP. I'm only looking for. Man, I thought that this is an evaluation account. Honestly, I thought that this is an eval. Okay. Good job from me. But this is a funded account. Here's the trade. I don't even have a stop on it yet. Man. Okay. I might have to close this position. Because I was willing to hold this for longer, but since this is a funded account, I don't think I want to hold this. Now I'm a little bit scared on this. Oh man, change of plans. I honestly was thinking that this is an eval, but this is a funded. Okay. Good job. It's not a beautiful trade. I want to try TPT. What about price for a 50K account? If with the promo code, you can get it for $119 with no activation. No, actually cheaper. $103 right now because it's 40% off. 103, I think. Let me just check it. The 50K. Yeah, because it's not 30%. It's 40% off right now. Let me just check it. Oh my, I'm gonna get taken out from this trade. Let me check. Yeah, $102. $102. Sorry. Yeah, exactly. Sorry. Yeah. Be brave. Uh-oh, it's going down. Nice. Look at the trade. Come on. You know what? F it. F it. Okay, this is good. Let's go. I'm just taking my TP here. No, actually, you know what? Oh my god. I took partial here. Jesus. Okay. I took partial. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my final TP down 880. The good thing at Funded Futures Network is that it's not trailing the open positions, only the closed positions. So even if I let my trade go into profit, and if it closes back at break even, I'm not going to lose buffer. So that's the good thing with Funded Futures Network. It's intraday trailing, but only at the closed position. Okay, so my bet right now is that we are going to 868, and just to make sure, midnight level 8, okay, is there, 881. But I took partials, so I'm okay. I'm fine. If it takes me out, it's fine. Perfectly fine. I'm $851, even if this one ends up with the break even. And it's on a funded account. Remember, I called out 868 at the top, at the beginning of the stream. 868. So to honor this, actually, what is the consistency rule, man? I'm confused now. Funded Futures Network, I have to check the consistency rule. Okay. What the hell? What is the consistency? FAQ. High impact news tier 1. Cost. I'm so confused now. Trailing drawdown. Okay. Okay, nothing there about consistency. 40%. Okay, 40%. Okay, okay, then I can let this trade ride. Okay, that's fine. It's definitely fine. So this means 40% of $2,000 because that's the safety net. 2K. I'm perfectly fine. Okay. Hey, thank you. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I'm telling you, we're going. We are going. Maybe not. Alright, anyway. Who cares? Oh no, it's going back. I was expecting more. A little bit more. I was expecting a bigger drop here. What did you do? I didn't do anything. I was just I'm just looking for this level down here. By the way, look at the on the mini. So on the mini, the key level is 868. This one here. Kind of like this area. 868-ish. Hold on, quick phone call. Quick phone call. I'm here. Don't worry. Who knows? Guys, I have to go down to check something. I'll be back in a few minutes, okay? Let's see what happens here. All right? Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Don't worry. Okay, we're still here. What happened? Let's go. It should go down, right? Exactly. Risk management 101. This one wants to go down to midnight level. Who knows? Don't forget 868 was the level that I was looking for. What is going on? Trading tour. How many US 100 lots are there? How many S&P? I don't understand the question. I'm sorry. This is 2 micros, but I already took partials up here because I was with 5 micros. If that's what you're asking, because this is the micro Nasdaq, but I don't know. I mean, US 100 is a CFD contract, right? So depending on if you're there's the one full lot, or you can go with micro lots as well. Well, so I think one full lot is 100 micro lots or something. I don't even know. Depends on which prop firm are you using. Lots of prop firms and brokerages have their own pricing for CFDs. It's a technical question. I play opposite positions and I don't know the indices are distributed properly. Oh, I have no idea. I'm sorry. I don't know the answer to that. I wish I could tell you a number, but I don't have anything. And by the way, I totally forgot that I'll be at MyFunded TV in about 20 minutes, so I need to sign off and do some stuff. I'm gonna leave this trade on at break even. Let's see how it goes. I'm not gonna modify anything on the final TP. 881.25 is my final TP. Let's see how it goes. I would look for 868. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow for London session. If you would like to check in on MyFunded TV, I'll be there shortly. You played for 9 S&P. I don't know those numbers, man. I wish I could know. I could help you there. So thank you again. If you'd like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the Tom Sabo code for new accounts, resets, whatever it is that you're looking for. It gives you the best deals on these prop firms that I'm promoting. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll be seeing you at MyFunded TV. Thank you. Cheers, everyone. And I'll be at MyFunded TV and tomorrow London as usual, and New York. Okay. God bless. See you guys later. Cheers.